If you want to flourish, what you need is you need a partner to help you to get there. You can get there on your own, but the strongest partner will help you to get there faster and help you to sustain it. So what is it that you need? From all of my research, it has come down 10 years of research on this, is I think there's 5 key characteristics that we need. One is you need a partner who's emotionally fit. Now, why is this important? Because life is filled with ups and downs constantly. To have someone who's emotionally stable, who can go through the lows, still remain themselves, is incredibly important. So you need someone who's emotionally fit. That's one. Second is you need someone who has courageous vision. You want someone who feels like they're on the path to something. Because if you don't feel like you're on the path to something, you are stuck in mediocrity. You are. You don't have any drive to get up in the morning, right? So you need someone that has a vision for themselves in life. So that's very important. Next you need someone who is, I call it resiliently resourceful. Very important. When times are hard, someone who's resiliently resourceful, they could bounce back. Like, yeah, I'm going to be knocked down, because you will be knocked down. See, you must have been knocked down, right? But what do? You get back up and you figure out a way. How do I take all of these pieces that have been cracked and how do I create a beautiful mosaic out of those pieces? That's resilient resourcefulness. Incredibly important. Then you need someone who's open-minded, right? Open-minded understanding. Ultimately, what does that mean? That means curiosity. And I say this, curiosity is one of the sexiest traits in the world. Curiosity. Because if you have a partner who's curious, what will they do? They want to know everything about you. They listen to you and they care about what they're hearing. And that allows you to have strong emotional intimacy. So that's very important. And then last is you need someone who's going to give you compassionate support. Someone who's going to be there for you. When you get knocked down, I'm right here for you. If you have these traits, you have the makings of the strongest partner for you. And that person doesn't have to test highly in all those categories. They just simply need to be on the pathway to realizing those.